going, guys? I kind of got stuck yesterday. I did the lug kit conversion. I'm actually hiding the secret. I did the lug kit conversion, and I felt like it wasn't enough for like a video, you know what I mean? I mean, it literally took me 20 minutes, and that was it, and it was done. So I test fitted the front spacers, the 30 mils, and I ended up just leaving them on because the fitment wasn't that bad, but I do have the new wheels, so after I reveal this, I will show you guys. But for today's video, we are just gonna finish installing the kit. So without further ado, voila. I know it's not much. I have the front part right here because the way Clinch is a two-piece kit for front and rears. So this will bolt up right about there, and that'll equal the whole front fitment. I did the passenger side completed, and I'll show you the scat. I'll show you guys that. Let's go. All right. So now one of the issues that I've had with, or that so far I've had with this kit, it's gonna have to be the fitment right here in this area. It does leave a gap. I've tried to push the side skirt in. I've literally like finagled this. I'm okay with it. If it's gonna be there. I mean, the rest of the fitment's pretty flush. No other issues overall. And I didn't have to cut that much either. But this is just the view of the front. So like I said, I mean, my fitment is literally 1 inch too short because these are 8.5, or yeah, they're 8.5, 18 by 8.5s in the front, and then I'm running 9.5s in the rear. But with my new set, so for the rest of the video today, we're gonna tackle the rear today because there is a car meet that I wanted to go to today. So we'll see. We'll see if she's ready for it. Okay, let me make sure I don't miss my seat. Okay. This is the front. I just time-lapse the front because the front's not that interesting. The front on this side. Front on this side. And then now we're gonna go tackle the back. All right, guys, so before we tackle the back, are some like pre-measures to make sure that everything's gonna go smooth. So test fit a couple times before I cut, so I know that what I need to cut. And then I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a bit, okay? All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do first before we put on the rear overs is I'm gonna take the 30 mil spacers, or take the wheels off, put the 30 mil spacers on, then put the wheels back on. That way we know how much clearance we have and how much we need to cut. Golf owners, you're all the same. You are all the same. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheels off, put the spacers on, and then pick the camera back up. Spacers are on, or well, spacer, I should say. This is the fitment. This is the poke. These are the fitment for the rear. So there's some girthy big boys. Getting these ones on is gonna be a little tough, but I do have my handy dandy helper. Oh, what the fuck's going on with her? But yeah. All right, ladies and gents, the moment you have all been waiting for. A perfectly fine car to have its fenders cut by yours truly. The thing the world hates the most. So, I'm gonna get cut. Alright guys, so I was just, making the video on this. Don't mind all the smoke. So this is the cut I did. I feel like you'd never really know what's happened with vehicles until you start doing a wide body kit, because you can tell where I'm just cutting metal. And then what the fuck is that? Come to find out, look at all that fucking Bondo. Look at that. Clean car my ass. I mean, I guess. I never do this thing. I couldn't have I really can't tell that it was ever in an accident, but I'm guessing something happened to where he needed about 1/4 of an inch of Bondo. Jesus. I mean, that's just ridiculous. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that interesting fact. Alright guys, kit is on. I did have some clearing fitment issues I'm probably gonna have to adjust later on, probably today, but we'll see. But yeah, I mean, again, it is a wide body kit. Not everything is gonna be perfect, even though someone made it perfect for their car doesn't mean it's gonna be perfect for yours. For instance, I have Bondo on mine, which is probably being a big key factor, and probably just the fitment being a little bit off, but finger gap is the same on both sides in the rear. And then I'm gonna give you guys a cinematic of what the car looks like.